In today's session, let's learn simple future. Simple future tense. Let's see. In this simple future tense, we have to use will or shall plus given. Okay, let's see what this tense is. This tense is used for the action which will happen in the future. The action which will happen in the future means the action which takes place in the future, which means next second. Next second is the future. Okay, so ఈ క్షణం తర్వాత జరగబోయేటటువంటి ప్రతి క్షణము కూడా ఫ్యూచర్ అన్నమాట. సో this tense can be used for future actions. For example, I will do the work tomorrow. I'll do the work tomorrow. Here we have to use helping verbs will or shall plus V1. Will or shall plus V1. First form of the verb. We have to use helping verbs will or shall. After will or shall, we have to use the first form of the verb. Okay. Let's see the structure. The structure is subject plus will or V1 plus something. This is the structure. If we see the usage of these will and shall, we can use like this. With I and we have to use shall, and with remaining subjects you, they, my friends. My friends means plural subject. He, she, it, and any singular subject. Any single subject means my friend. Here my friends and here my friends. Okay, with I, we and we, with I, we have to use shall. I shall do it. I shall do it. We shall do it. You will do it. They will do it. My friends will do it. He will do it. She will do it. It will do it. My friend will do it. Here you can notice with I and we, the first person singular and the first person plural, we. First person singular I, first person plural and we. With this both, we have used will. Okay, here you get what మీరు సబ్జెక్ట్ తర్వాత ఐ మీన్ ఐకి వీకి తర్వాత షెల్ రావాలన్నారు, మరి ఇక్కడ విల్ యూజ్ చేశారు కదా అని. జనరల్గా అందరూ కూడా ఐ తర్వాత విల్ యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా అని మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు. యూ మే గెట్ డౌట్. ఓకే, ఐ క్లియర్ ఇట్ హియర్. ఓకే, హియర్ ఐ am writing two sentences with I subject. I will come tomorrow. I will come okay. with I shall come tomorrow. I shall come tomorrow. Here I have 10 sentences. One tomorrow and another one is okay. So I shall come tomorrow and I will come tomorrow. Here, let's see the difference. I shall come tomorrow. నేను రేపు వస్తాను. I will come tomorrow. రేపు వస్తాను. ఈ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి అంటే విత్ ఐ షల్ యూస్ చేస్తే ఐతో మే నాట్ మే ఆర్ మే నాట్ may or may not come. As if it about I will come tomorrow అంటే sure. దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటండి? Sure. Must. మస్ట్ అన్న మీనింగ్. ఓకే, జనరల్ గా మనకి అలవాటైన ప్రకారం ఏంటంటే ఐతో పాటు విల్ యూస్ చేయడం అలవాటు. ఇట్స్ రైట్, ఇట్స్ నాట్ రాంగ్, అది రాంగ్ ఏం కాదు. కానీ ఇక్కడ మీరు నోటీస్ చేయవలసింది ఏంటి అంటే ఐతో షెల్ యూస్ చేస్తే ఆ యాక్షన్ ఏంటి? మే ఆర్ మే నాట్, జరగవచ్చు జరగకపోవచ్చు. అదే ఐతో పాటు విల్ యూస్ చేస్తే మాత్రం తప్పకుండా జరుగుద్దని అర్థం. అలాగే ఇక్కడ యూ, దే, మై ఫ్రెండ్, హీ, షీ, ఇట్, మై ఫ్రెండ్స్, దీంతో అని చెప్పాను. అంటే ఐ విల్ డూ ఇట్ అంటే మే ఆర్ మే నాట్, అదే ఆపోజిట్ అనమాట. దట్స్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. ఈ విధంగా ఓకే. Difference. Let's see the time to phrases tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, Sunday, next May 2025. So these are ఇవన్నీ కూడా phrases అన్నమాట. Simple future. Okay. I go. Next. I will tomorrow. I will sing a song on the stage. I will prepare exams. They will sing a song on the stage next Sunday. I'll prepare for exam. She will write a novel. She will write a novel in 2024. In this way we can use. ఈ విధంగా మనం ఈ యొక్క టైం ఫ్రేజెస్ ని యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్సెస్. Sentences in simple future. Are the positive sentences in simple future. Now let's see negative sentences in future. Okay, negative sentences in simple future. For making negative, what must we do? We have to make negative will not or won't. Will not or won't. Will not short form is won't. Whereas for shall not, we have to use shan't. Okay, this is the short form. Okay, now let's see. I'll go to Hyderabad next year. This is positive sentence. Now let's change this into interrogative. I will not or I won't go to Hyderabad next year. This is negative sentence. If you take this next sentence, I'll help him tomorrow. This is positive sentence. And what is negative sentence? I won't. I won't help him tomorrow. This is negative sentence. If we take this sentence, this is positive sentence. They will sing a song on the stage next Sunday. They will not sing. They will not a song on the stage next Sunday. This is negative sentence. If you take this sentence, I'll prepare for exam next month. This is positive sentence. Whereas the negative sentence is
I won't prepare for exams next month.
I won't prepare for exams
next month.
This is negative sentence. Now coming to the last sentence, she will. She will write a novel in 2024. This is positive sentence. If you wanna write in negative,
won't write a novel in 2024.
Won't write, not write. Write a novel in 2024. So we can make negative sentence like this. How? Just adding not or after adding not, if you want to make it short sentence, contrasted form. Short sentence, short form ఏమంటారంటే contrasted form అంటారన్నమాట. Won't అవుతుంది. Okay, now if you wanna talk, if you wanna change it into interrogative. Interrogative sentences in simple future. Interrogative లోకి మార్చాలంటే ఎలా మార్చాలో చూద్దాం. Just we have to bring this will front. ఈ will ని ఏం చేయాలండి? Front తీసుకురావాలి. That's it. Okay, let's see how we have to bring this front. I go to Hyderabad next year. This is positive sentence. I will not go to Hyderabad next year. This is negative sentence. How we can change this? Will I go to Hyderabad? Yeah. This is interrogative sentence. This is interrogative sentence. Likewise, if we take these sentences, I'll help him tomorrow. I won't help him tomorrow. Will I help him tomorrow? This is interrogative. If we take this sentence, they will sing a song on the stage next Sunday. They will not sing a song on the next Sunday. Will they sing? Will they sing a song on the stage next Sunday? This is interrogative. Okay, if we take this set, then this one I will prepare for exam. I won't prepare for exam. Will I prepare?
Prepare for exams next month.
Prepare for exams next month. Okay. So if you take this sentence, with these sentences, how we can change? She will write a novel in 2024. She won't write a novel in 2024. Will she
Will she
write a novel in
write a
2024?
novel in 24?
Question mark. Okay. So if we don't write question mark, it's wrong. Okay. So we must remember the question mark keeping at the end of the sentence. Okay. She'll write a novel. Oh, finished. Sorry. So this is the way we have to change in interrogative. Now let's write negative interrogative sentences. Negative interrogative. Negative interrogative sentences in simple future. Let's see how we can change. I'll go to Hyderabad next year. I won't or I will not go to Hyderabad next year. Will I go to Hyderabad next year? What is interrogative? Make it short form. Won't. Will not ni short form cheste won't. Won't I go to Hyderabad next year? This is negative interrogative. Okay. Next structure. I'll help. I'll help him tomorrow. I won't help him tomorrow. Will I help him tomorrow? Won't I help him tomorrow? This is negative interrogative. If you wanna write in another way, like this also we can write. ఈ విధంగా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. ఎట్లా? Will I not help him? Will I not help him tomorrow? Is also right. If you wanna separate this not with will తో separate చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు not ని after subject we have to write it. Subject తర్వాత రాయాలి. Okay. Next. They will sing a song. They'll sing a song on the stage next Sunday. They will not sing a song on the stage next Sunday. Will they sing a song on the next Sunday? What is negative interrogative? Won't. Won't they sing a song on the stage next Sunday? Negative interrogative. This is negative interrogative. Okay, we can also write like this. ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? Will they not sing a song on the stage next Sunday? This is also can be written. Okay. Now let's write the next sentence. She will write a novel in 2024. She won't write a novel in 2024. Will she write a novel in 2024? Won't she write? Won't she write a novel in 2024? This is negative interrogative. Okay. Please confirm. Have you understood?